Yeah.
Is all this going to go on Ukulele Congress's
I don't know.
YouTube page? It should.
I don't know.
Like this should be like a central
be.
place where when we go all go home, we can see all this shit.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah, because he's got that, his page.
Well, let's make a channel.
Well, he's got the Ukulele Congress one.
Oh, so, yeah, we'll get the fucking password from that. And fucking,
Yeah, Mike's got it. We should put it all on
absolutely.
Because I didn't bring a camera or shit, but I'd love to see
Absolutely.
this.
Everybody's footage? Absolutely. Yeah, good idea, man.
That'd be
Do that. Have you seen Tommy the ukulele playing pilot lately? No, we did. Tommy the ukulele playing pilot?
Tommy, I don't even know Tommy the ukulele playing pilot. Which one's Tommy?
Oh, there he is. There he is. Yep.
Oh, that's
Tommy, I got you next. You done? All right. Okay. Oh, no problem. No problem. No problem.
Tonight and in general.
Where's Yuki? Have you guys seen Alan?
Oh, please do.
Have you guys seen Alan?
Alan?
Yeah. No. He's over there? Oh, I see him.